Hi there, it's McKenna, founder and director of Unleashing Personal Potential. Thanks so much for your interest in our company and in our services and having us work with your students to help them learn, live and lead. Look, I wanted to take a moment just to share with you a little bit about our workshops and how we've designed them. All of our workshops use a learning, action, reflection process, which basically engages the students and keeps it interactive for them to ensure that they really get those messages and they really hit home with your students. Essentially what it is a learning process whereby we encourage the students to learn a concept, and then we introduce an activity related to that learning to get them moving, get them actually doing it, get them hands-on and interactive with that message and with that learning. Then we build in a reflection or a debrief process to get them to connect the activity to the learning. So it just rounds it out nicely and helps them really have that penny drop moment. So that's basically how all of our programs have been designed. They've all been designed by me and delivered to your students at your school by our wonderful team who are based in either Melbourne, Sydney or Brisbane, and they come face to face with your students at your place. We'll work with over 40,000 students this year based on those programs. So look, to find out more, click on the button below or reach out to Tracy Lees, our head of service. She'll look after you and come up with a plan that's right for you. If we can't help you, then certainly we'll be willing to point you in the right direction to make sure you get the help you need to help your students along the journey. Thanks so much for reaching out. Thanks for your time, and we look forward to hearing from you.